Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena. Today's video is going to be a master bedroom clean with me, and I really just need to get all of the sheets changed, get my duvet cover off and washed. I want to get my curtains down and just get everything nicely dusted and just really nice and clean in here. So that is what we are going to be doing today, and I will start here with the bed and getting the duvet cover off of my comforter, and then I will also strip down the mattress. I'm going to show you here too, my 2-year-old got a hold of a Sharpie the other day, and so now I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with this duvet cover, but I know it's probably not coming out. So that is going to go in the wash, and I'm just going to get this whole bed stripped down, and I'm going to clean this whole bed, the nightstands, vacuum, just really clean this whole bedroom. So today I'm going to use this spray from Caldera. It is a rose driftwood spray, and oh my god, you guys, this smells so amazing. This, okay, so I got this spray from Grove, and I get my Mrs. Meyer's and my diapers and some other cleaning products from Grove every month, and I mainly order because I know I can like get my 2-year-old's diapers from there regularly. But this stuff is expensive. I will just say that right off the bat. This spray is expensive. This spray was $10, so I totally treated myself to this. It was like a total treat, but it is worth it. It is amazing. I want to buy more stuff. Like, I already looked into getting like the fabric spray. I want to get the like laundry soap. I don't even think they have laundry soap in it, but whatever they have, I pretty much want to get it because it is amazing. I love the way floral scents smell anyways, and rose is one of my favorite. It is wonderful, but I thought I would just share that with you. The spray I'm using, the fact that it is like crazy expensive, totally worth it. I won't be able to buy it all the time, that's for sure. It's like a once in a while thing. Oh, I feel so weird talking about a spray, a cleaning spray this way. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constant.
Alright, so I got a duster from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to give this whole fan a nice dusting using this little microfiber duster. It's not a microfiber duster, whatever feather duster thingy this is. And then I'm also going to take some spray and spray it on my microfiber rag, and then I'll just go and wipe the blades down with the microfiber rag once I'm finished dusting it off. And then I'm also going to go around and just dust my ceiling. You can see there's like a little inlay area here, and it does collect dust, so I'll go around and dust my ceiling as well.
Oh, asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling.
Alright, so moving on to my vanity. This thing always just collects so much random junk. So of course that's what's happened. I just need to get everything off, spray it down, give it a nice wipe and dusting, get all of this paperwork. I had actually cleaned out one of my drawers, and this is a lot of old paperwork that needs to be shredded, so I'll be taking all of this downstairs, and then I'm just going to clean this up, put things away, keep the items that I'm using more frequently out, and go from there. Don't judge my little white container. Oh my god, it looks so awful. Like, I went through and I even like went through all those drawers, but it still looks so like packed from this angle. But I guess I probably should go through there again. Alright, so this little area up above, like where my TV, it collects a lot of dust as well. So again, just using this same little duster, I'm going to go up here, dust everything. I had taken some pictures off already that sit underneath the TV, and realized I hadn't pressed play or record. So, sorry about that. And I'm just going to do the same thing, do some dusting up here, and get this all nice and clean. Okay, so I am going to get my curtains down. These are some black velvet curtains. I apologize for the lighting. It was so bright out. As you can see, it snowed and it was really like foggy and just bright out. So this lighting over here is a little off and I apologize. But I'm going to be taking these curtains down and putting them in the washing machine and just giving them a nice wash to get all the dust and everything like that off of them. And there's my puppy. That's Spectre Prime. Oh, he's such a good dog. He is like, God, like 12 years old or 13 years old, something like that now. He's such an old doggy. Alright, so I did notice that the tracks in my sliding glass door up here were disgusting, so I'm going to go ahead and take care of this problem right now. And it is freezing outside. It is like -11. And so I'm not going to open the door to clean the other track. That's just gonna have to wait till it's a little warmer outside. But this one, that it's inside, definitely I'm gonna take care of.
Darling, we built a home, a life, but now all of that is gone. I fear, my dear. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm leaving the light on if you come back around. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm holding on until forever. I will fight, but you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Yeah, you drift away. Yeah, we used to laugh. You were all that I had, so I gave you my all. And now all of that is gone. I feel, you know, all of that is gone, my dear. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm leaving the light on if you come back around. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm holding on until forever. I will fight, but you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in.
Okay, now that I've got, you know, the dusting and stuff like that out of the way, I'm going to just do a nice vacuum up here with my large Dyson vacuum. And then I also just keep my little handheld one so I can get in the corners and along the edges and stuff without having to take my big one apart while I'm vacuuming.
But you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Yeah, you drift away. Thought you really loved me, guess I was wrong. Thought you'd never.
Okay, so I know it looks like I just took these down, but trust me, it's been hours later. I've been doing a lot of other cleaning. This is actually going to be like a two-part video. I've been, you know, cleaning in here, and then while these curtains and my sheets were washing, I've been cleaning in the master bathroom. And so here in like a couple days, I'm going to be putting that video out as well. But yes, these did get washed, but with my, you know, power of editing, it looks like I just took them off and then put them back on, which I assure you I did not. Like I said, it has been hours later. These did get into the wash and they are now nice and dry, so they are going back on. Same thing with my sheets. I wasn't actually expecting, you know, to still be cleaning up here before everything was done, but I was, and so now that they're all clean and out of the dryer, might as well just put them back on because I think the black sheets are pretty.
How could I known it? I'm not a psychic. The only psycho here is you. 'Cause you're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you. When we started dating, I was surprised. Felt so elevating, too easy at times. Then all of a sudden, reality strikes. It was all
just a lie. Don't you have a conscience? Don't you feel bad? Acting like a monster, don't you feel sad? All I want is closure, but I'll have to manage without. How about that? If you could rewind, do it again. I wonder, would you hurt me just like you did? Or would you fast forward to the end? I wonder, so you wouldn't have to face what you did. You're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you. For believing lies for my clueless mind, but I didn't know what you do. I could've known it, I'm not a psychic.
Okay, so here is the final clean bedroom. Like I said, I'll be showing the bathroom cleaning here in a day, or well, in a couple days once I'm done editing that video. But this is the end result of some nice, deep cleaning and some really good dusting that happened here. My boys went out and got me some flowers for Valentine's, and that was really sweet. But this is the end of the video, and I really hope you enjoy it. Come back here, maybe in like 3 days for the bathroom. That's Honey Bear. Bye, Honey Bear. Say bye, Honey Bear. Thank you for watching. Bye.
But I didn't know what you